Subvert. Surpass. Surprise.
Aston Martin officially unveils the Vantage S, the most performance-focused Vantage ever. The standard Vantage was already one of the sharpest front-engine sports cars in its class. The S turns the dial even further. More power, sharper dynamics, and visual aggression to match. Let's see what the Vantage S is all about. But before we continue, if you're liking our content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. It means a lot to us. The S badge isn't new. It's part of Aston Martin's legacy. Vanquish S in 2004, then V8 and V12 Vantage S in the early 2000s. And after the recent DBX S, the Vantage S carries that tradition back into the spotlight, this time with a sharper edge than ever before. Under the hood is the same 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but now upgraded to deliver 680 horsepower and 800 newton-meters of torque. That's serious firepower. 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds, and 0 to 124 in 10.1 seconds. Launch control's been sharpened, throttle mapping refined. Every drive mode now has its own character. To match the power, Aston's engineers retuned the suspension, mounts, and adaptive dampers. The result is more front-end grip, better agility, and improved compliance for daily drivability. The rear subframe is now directly mounted to the chassis, meaning rawer feedback and tighter control. Every component has been tuned with surgical precision. Performance isn't just numbers. It's also about confidence, and the new full-width rear spoiler adds 44 kilograms of rear downforce. Combined with changes to the front air dam and underbody, total downforce at top speed hits 111 kilograms, most of it biased toward the front for killer cornering grip. The design changes speak with authority. Central bonnet blades, carbon options, and discrete S badging, crafted in brass and filled with red enamel. Even the wheels got a bespoke treatment. 21-inch Y-spoke in satin black with red detailing and bronze-painted brake calipers. At the rear, that spoiler isn't just visual flair, it's completely functional. Inside, it's unmistakably Aston, but with an edge. Alcantara and leather accelerate trim, carbon fiber inlays, red or silver anodized drive mode rotary. Even the seatbelt color matches the stitching and headrest embroidery. The embroidered S alone takes 2,500 stitches and over 16 meters of thread. If that's not craftsmanship, what is? And if you want more indulgence, go for the Inspire Sport package. Semi-aniline leather, duotone options, and chevron quilted seats that look like they're built for speed. The Vantage S makes its public debut at the 2025 Goodwood Festival of Speed, roaring up the famous hill climb in front of the world's motorsport elite. The message is clear. The Aston Martin Vantage S is back, and it's not playing safe. Available now in both coupe and roadster, first deliveries for the Vantage S are set for Q4 2025. But this is Aston Martin. Exclusivity is part of the package. More power, more grip, more drama. This is Aston Martin's Vantage, evolved. What are your thoughts on the new Aston Martin Vantage S? Let us know in the comments. This is Car Facts. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our content.